Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we're back with the 4 Series and we're going to be changing the front bumper today. So as you can see, this still has the luxury edition front bumper, and as well as this we're going to get the grills changed, the LED fog lights changed. So they're currently halogen bulbs and we're going to get them changed to LEDs, and this car's whole front end is going to get fully changed pretty much. So we're going to get straight into that. And we've got the bumper sprayed from Umar Car Bodyworks, so I'll leave his link below. So if you need any paint jobs, you can go and contact him and he'll be able to sort you out with that. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew and this is the Alpha Customs channel, where we'll be talking about things we do on our cars for customers, things we'll be doing on our project car, which is the E38 7 Series, which is right there, and our own other project car, which is the 4 Series F33 as well. So if you're new to this channel, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment, be part of this Alpha Customs journey, and let's get crack-a-lacking. So here are all the parts that we're going to be installing today. There is the splitter with the 2 corner pieces right here. There is the middle grille which goes right underneath the bumper. There is the top 2 grills which are going to go in those 2 gaps. These are the gloss black double slate grills. As well as this, we've got the fog light covers which are here and here, and we would have to install the back bit of the fog light too, which we've got inside, and we're going to be installing that too. So that's it for today, and we're going to be installing that and then going out and installing it onto the actual car and removing the existing bumper. So let's start installing this. So now it's time to add the sensors on. And all we're going to do is wire up the sensors at the back, tuck it away and make sure each and every one is clipped into the right place. And since it's already white, we don't need to get them painted, which is a good thing. They just clip in like that. It's pretty easy. So it just goes in, and then just need to make sure it goes in to the right slot and it clips in. The last one. So the sides are on now, and then we're going to start with the actual big bit, which are going to be the actual splitter.
Bye.